designed specifically for you automotive professionals. Okay, so FlatRate Pro, it's this free toolkit, yeah? And it's powered by GearGenius.AI. It's really built to shake up how you technicians track your work, check your performance, and, finally get a clear picture of how you're actually making your money. First off, the tech dashboard really simplifies things. It gives you a clear look at your daily earnings using this key metric, the hour-for-hour ratio. It's pretty simple. It just compares the flat rate hours you billed versus the actual hours you worked. So like a 1.2 to 1 ratio. That means you effectively pulled in 8 hours of pay for only about 6.5 hours on the clock. Tells you right away if you're gaining time and money or losing it. Second, the platform uses its AI smarts to pinpoint your moneymakers. These are basically your most profitable job types. It'll rank your top 3 categories by that earnings per hour ratio. This helps you see, okay, maybe brake jobs are bringing in the best margin for me, helping you focus your skills where it counts most for your wallet. And finally, FlatRate Pro helps you build up a permanent professional work history report. Think of it kind of like a Carfax for your career. Seriously, it keeps a log of every job, gives you verifiable proof of your performance even if you switch shops, and spits out official reports you can use for job interviews or performance reviews. It's solid evidence of your skills and productivity. Using this system really puts clear, data-driven control over your efficiency and career value right back in your hands.